And reproduction of a male specimen of Homo sapiens sapiens, our creator. Depicted here in primitive form, H. sapiens is believed to have first appeared 50 to 200,000 years ago. H. sapiens is distinguished by his tool-using prowess. Note the
And don't forget, if you want your dashcam clip featured on a DCTV episode, you can send it here on DCTV. It's simple and easy. For more details, have a look at the description below. Help everyone learn from your experience. I'm Ann and this is Nicole. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Jesus! Oh boy!
Whoa! What just happened?
Oh my God! She's doing. Oh my God!
Oh!
That woman is crazy.
Oh, this truck is gonna connect.
What just happened?
The woman almost caused an accident twice.
Jeez. what just happened?
Now this truck is mad.
It's gonna race now. Oh boy.
What happened?
Oh my god.
That truck is mad.
Dylan, that's so loud, okay?
This ain't
Oh
gonna
my
end well.
god. Oh my god.
You guys are scared.
Unfortunately.
Oh, it's going to happen.
Oh,
It's
man.
going to happen.
They're racing. Ah, Jesus.
Oh, he's chasing her.
Oh my god.
That's the funniest thing I ever
He's
saw.
right behind her.
I know, I see that.
She's in the car. The trick, she's in the car. The trick is in the car.
He's at my door, he's trying to get into my car now. I think he
was coming around and I was on a really good lap. I was thinking I was going to be able to make up a lot of time in the back section and probably even get into the 148. So I'm pushing it out of turn 2. And the 2 cars I was coming up on, I was about to lap, one of them blew their motor just over the crest where it's a blind crest coming out of turn 2. So I couldn't even see that there was oil. I came full speed, the flaggers, there was no flagger at turn 2, so I couldn't get any warning. And I had passed the start finish, before I could see the flag. So I don't have no idea that I'm about to come up on a bunch of oil. So I hit the oil at 104 miles an hour and I start to slide. I'm coming over the crest and I can see there's 2 cars sitting in the mud, and my trajectory is to go directly at the left car. So luckily, I was thinking I was going to get some traction right when I hit the mud, so I was sliding and just barely missed the car to the right. And you'll see in the telemetry, I floor it right as I pass him. Luckily, I had enough traction in the mud. It pushed me forward and flipped me around a 180, and I barely missed the car to the left. It was absolutely insane. I was definitely shaking a bit afterwards, and I couldn't believe that it happened. Just one of those really rare things that can happen on the racetrack. So I'm glad everyone was safe, and I'm glad we all ended up going home with no damage on my friend's car. I would have felt terrible. So anyways, I'm just going to show the videos for today, and I'm going to break it down in another video in the future.